lie there at night when I was trying to go to sleep, and Franklin was very, very active. So I'd feel him rolling about and kicking and pushing. During the day, I used to sing to him, and my older child, who was 7, used to like to rub my tummy and look for the kicks. He was very happy when he could feel them. I wanted to make contact, to have that hands-on practical support, which is so handy. It's like if I'd never driven a car before and then someone gave me a leaflet and said, oh yeah, this is what a good parallel park looks like with some acronyms, and then put me in a car, that would be so hard. But the breastfeeding team, it's like having the driving instructor there. So they're there right beside you and they say, oh, I'm just going to put your hand here, or you might want to lift him up slightly on this side. So you're not just relying on reading things, you know what it feels like, to feed. One thing I've noticed is that they go to lots of different groups and events, and they make themselves, visible in the city. So there's lots of opportunities to run into them. And that means that if you need support, there's lots of different ways to get it. I would definitely recommend, getting some really good quality one-to-one support. I had a reasonably, straightforward journey with this child, but this is my second child. And with the first child, I found it a lot harder. I think a lot of women do. I found feeding my first child really hard. And after about 3 weeks, I stopped. And so for 3 weeks, my first child had no breast milk at all. And I was one of those women there's a lot of women who stop before they really want to and feel very sad about it. And with the support of a team like yourselves, lactation consultants and so on, I was actually able to get him back to exclusive breastfeeding in about 6 or 7 weeks. And then from that, I was able to feed him until 13 months. And I couldn't have done that without support. So that was amazing. And that really shows the difference that you guys can make.